Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Have you ever wished for a tool that could streamline your lead generation? Here's a clue. Your wish is about to come true. If you're anyone trying to skyrocket your B2B marketing, you know that finding the right contacts can sometimes feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But hold on to your hats, because today we're deep diving into the Leadrocks lifetime deal. This is not just another pebble, it's a gem. What is Leadrocks? A treasure map that points directly to your ideal leads. Sound too good to be true? Well, think again. Leadrocks is like having a detective on your team, always sniffing out the perfect B2B contacts for you. With a whopping database of 100M plus records, emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles, this tool makes Sherlock Holmes look like an amateur. No more cold calls that go nowhere or emails that gather digital dust. Leadrocks is like the GPS for leads, guiding you straight to your target audience. Epic alert! Appsumo's lifetime offer. Normally, the gold mine that is Leadrocks would cost you a whopping $1,740. But thanks to Appsumo, the price is sliced down to just $79. Yep, you heard that right. And because we love options. License Tier 1. Available for a one-time purchase of just $79, down from its colossal original price of $1,740. This tier gives you 5,000 contact credits every month. License Tier 2. Double the pleasure for $158. Originally priced at $3,480, this tier not only boosts your contact credits to 10,000, but also tosses in email verification credits and an email marketing seat. 10,000 contact credits per month. 10,000 email verification credits per month. 1 email marketing seats. API access for email verification. License Tier 3. The ultimate powerhouse. For $237, get a jaw-dropping deal originally priced at $5,220. This is for the big players with 15,000 contact and email verification credits per month. 15,000 contact credits per month. 15,000 email verification credits per month. 1 email marketing seats. API access for email verification. 5 Leadrocks sparkling features. Now let's talk about the jewels in this treasure trove. Hyper-targeted search. Leadrocks acts as your GPS for leads, allowing you to drill down by job title, company, location, and more. Say goodbye to the needle in a haystack approach to lead hunting. Email outreach. Engage your chosen audience effortlessly with auto-sequences. Whether you prefer Gmail or Outlook, Leadrocks has you covered, making your outreach campaigns a breeze. Simple yet powerful. Data enrichment has never been this smooth. Leadrocks takes complex data and transforms it into actionable insights, saving you time and effort. Legal and reliable data. Leadrocks provides only the best, most up-to-date data to ensure your efforts are based on accurate information. GDPR Compliant. Concerned about data privacy? Rest easy. Leadrocks follows GDPR guidelines, ensuring that your lead generation activities are safe and secure. AI-powered recommendations. Leadrocks uses AI to suggest ideal leads, improving targeting accuracy and making lead generation smarter and more efficient. Who should be rocking with Leadrocks? Are you ready to meet the rock stars who can benefit from this? Marketing agencies, recruiters, sales managers, entrepreneurs, lead generation specialists, B2B businesses, consultants. Fit the profile or know someone who does? Dive into Leadrocks and watch your sales climb higher than ever before. 10% extra savings alert. Heads up, savvy savers! You get more than just a great bargain when you take advantage of our Appsumo offer. A scorching 10% discount is around. Do the arithmetic. Those savings are astounding. Quick guide to the deal. Visit Appsumo's Leadrocks lifetime deal page. Look for that sneaky discount bar. Punch in your active email. Use the same email to lock in the discount. Real user reviews. Still on the fence? Let's check out some sparkling reviews. Hey, the clock's ticking. Seize this deal before it's buried treasure again. Embark on your lead generation journey with Leadrocks. Dig into the description, unearth the features, and hold on to that lifetime deal while you still can. If this goldmine of information rocked your world, smash that like button, share the wealth, and subscribe for more.